Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I have a special treat for you today. I am making chocolate covered strawberries. Designer chocolate covered strawberries. So we are going to go ahead and get started. Right here I have 3/4 cup of milk chocolate chips, and then in the other ramekin I have almond bark, vanilla almond bark. So this is just going to be for the little swirls of different things on top of the chocolate covered strawberries. And I got this from Aldi. It's Baker's Corner from Aldi, and it's just 1 block. Also in the chocolate we're going to put all vegetable shortening. So we're just going to put barely a little bit over 1/4 teaspoon. So we're going to go ahead and put that in, and we're going to melt in the microwave. You want to put it in there for 30 seconds. Check and see what it looks like, and then from that point on, do it for about 10-second intervals until it's to the consistency that you want it at. And you're going to stir in between each check. So right here I have 10 strawberries, 10 red, beautiful strawberries. They are ripe and good. So I'm going to go ahead and get them dipped in this milk chocolate. And also I'm going to show you what I do to make little swirls and cute designs with this almond bark. As you can see, I already have one done. So what I did was place wax or parchment paper on an aluminum sheet. And this is just one of those aluminum foil pans you can get at the Dollar Tree. They come 2 for $1 or 3 for $1. And we're just going to dip on all sides. You can either submerge them all the way. I like a little bit of red showing. And I also help it along sometimes with a spoon if I can't get it evenly done. And you just go ahead and place it on your sheet. And you keep going until you get them all done. Some people might use a skewer, like I said, but using my hand is just fine for me. Right after you finish coating all the strawberries with the milk chocolate, you want to go ahead and sit them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, or you can put them into the freezer for 12 to 15 minutes. And here they are right out of the refrigerator, and you can go ahead and sit them onto a plate. They come right off. This is parchment paper that I'm using, and they come right off. They don't stick at all. And the little ends of the chocolate you can just break away like that. And it comes right off. So you can also cut this off too, because they do get a little flat underneath. You can trim them off if you want to. It's real easy with the butter knife. Here is the almond bark. So I'm going to make a tuxedo out of one of these. And so how you do that is you put the midpoint of the strawberry halfway down to the top. You tilt it, and then you're going to do the other side the same way, and it makes a V right in the front. And you're going to sit that one back down. So that's going to be a tuxedo, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. Okay, and with the rest of the almond bark, we're making designs. So in a piping bag, you can, and also you can get these piping bags from your grocery store or your cake supply store or Hobby Lobby or Michael's. And what you're going to do is fill the bag with the almond bark. Fold the bag down almost to the bottom, and you're going to fill the bag. Well, I won't say fill the bag because it's not a lot. much in there as you can. And you're going to pull the bag back up. You can put any design on the strawberries that you would like. For this tuxedo, I'm going to go ahead and do it first. I'm going to put the dot for the buttons. Kind of messed up that bottom dot. And you're going to go ahead and make a bow tie. That's not the cutest tuxedo, but you get my drift. So with the rest of them, this first one here, I'm just going to make polka dots. And you have to be careful with these polka dots because the strawberries are angled in a downward manner. And then for this one, I'm just going to do a squiggly line. I like the squigglies and the dots. I don't want to get too crazy with the designs. I'm going to do lines down the front of this one. You can also pick the strawberry up if you can't angle it downward real good. All right, here they are, all pretty and nice looking and tasty, I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one. This ain't my favorite. I love the tuxedo strawberries, but for me it didn't come out so good. But it was my first one. My first time trying the tuxedo one anyway. I've made chocolate covered strawberries plenty of times, but first time I tried to make this one didn't come out too good. So anyway, I'm gonna eat it up. And I'm only gonna eat one. I'm not going to even tempt myself further, but I'm just going to eat one right now on camera. My show comes on later, so I'll be eating some later on. They are good. Really, really good. They're not overly sweet. And guys, you can use semi-sweet chocolate or milk chocolate chips. If your strawberries, if you know your strawberries are not going to be super sweet, if they don't look really ripe or whatever, or you taste one and it's not really ripe, it just tastes okay, definitely use the milk chocolate. But if you have really sweet strawberries, you can go ahead and use semi-sweet chocolate, and that way it won't overpower the strawberries at all, and you'll have a nice clean chocolate covered strawberry taste. And but these are really good. Really, really, really good. And chocolate chips are just fine to use. As you saw, I didn't go get the specialty coated chocolate that, and I believe it's not like real milk chocolate, it's just like a coating. I like using real milk chocolate and real semi-sweet chocolate. So that's one reason why I get the chocolate chip. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming by to Tracie's Place. I will see you guys again next time right back here. Bye.